Hello guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you simple step-by-step tutorial that you'll be using to make money using CPA market. So I'm dedicating 1 month of my time to a CPA challenge that will help you to grow from $0 to at least $20 every single day of your life, and I'm assuring you that this my method works. And as you can see here, I have $130 right here on my account. And if I go over to my second account right here, as you can see here, I have a lot of money here that I make every single day. As you can see, I made $23, I made $68, $15, and other days that did not work. As you can see, I have $3, $15, $40, and I have $128 here to withdraw for this week. And this website I'm going to be showing you for this CPA challenge pays every week, and some of them pays every 2 weeks. So you don't have to wait for 30 days, you don't have to wait for any review, and you can start immediately after every lesson. Now all I want you to do for me right now is to go ahead and smash the subscribe button and like this video, share to your friends who don't know how to make money online. And if you want me to mentor you, you can simply click on my WhatsApp button on the comment section and you'll come to my WhatsApp. But my mentorship is not free. All right, so I'll be showing you all this free method and paid method as well. So make sure you subscribe, like. So if I go over to my Mobidea.com, if you don't know Mobidea.com, simply go to your button, your browser, and search for Mobidea. So by that way, you can be able to see Mobidea and be able to register an account. So if you go over to mobidea.com, you can go to account.mobidea.com and you can simply click on login with Google account. You can easily register an account. So you can do it here. This is the registration dashboard right here. And all you have to do to register an account here is to simply select what you are, who you are here. Are you a network? Are you a media buyer? Are you a Facebook marketer? But obviously, you are a Facebook marketer, or you can say that is an advertiser or something like that. You can select media buyer, but I think select Facebook marketer, and then you write your name here, write your last name here, write your Telegram or Skype or WhatsApp right here. But I choose Team. You can actually use Team because with Team you can be able to chat with your account manager directly, and the account manager replies very fast as long as you've started making money on the account. So the next thing you have to do here, add your email address, create a strong password for yourself, and then retype the password here, click this checkout here and get it. Once you're in, you just have to answer other questions there, and your account is approved automatically after you have verified your email address. Now this account approval method is simple, so you don't have to worry about so much thing. And then after that, you can simply go in and then log into your account. From logging into your account, I will show you how to pick offers from here. And not just that, I'll be showing you best converting offer that you can use today and make some money for yourself. No matter how small this offer pays, this offer converts so much that it can make you an amount of $50 every single day. Okay, so simply come over here. If you're using a mobile phone, you can put your phone on desktop mode so you can be able to see everything clearly. So you have to click on offer directly right here, and once you're in offer directory, you can be able to choose offers. You can select here any value and then you can apply. So if you want a particular country, if you want to survey offers, you can click here to select surveys. But I prefer surveys offer because these are the method that I'll be using. Okay, I'm not using dating offers right now, and I'll be using survey offers that are sweepstakes. Okay, so I'm gonna select survey offers here, and then I'm gonna come down and I will choose the best offer for myself. Now this is display smart link, but this offer is rev share, so it means it does not have specific payout. So if you want something like that, it has a high conversion rate of 49%, and that means every 2 click you get a conversion. Now if you need it, you can simply go, but the ECPM is very low, so that means that this offer nearly pay you 1 cent per click. Now you have to leave this type of offer and you have to look for offer that have higher CPM. Now I will show you the ones that I use. If I go over here, as you can see, this survey, try your luck SOI. This is SOI plus rev share. So this is a better offer to choose. And this offer is for South Africa right here. And as you can see, the ECPM is almost $20 because it's 19.61. Like yesterday, this offer was $20 plus. Right now is 19. That means it's a better offer because you know that every single 1,000 click that you have in this account, you're gonna get $20. So if you spend 10,000 naira on paid adverts to get $20, that means you have made profit of 30. You have made total amount of almost 30,000 naira, 30,000 naira plus. And if you spend maybe 20K to get it, I see you making profit. You made 10,000 naira profit depending on your currency, but you made some money. That is the main thing here. So as you can see here, this offer is the best offer here to choose from depending on your country. If you are in Nigeria, this is the betting offer for you, and this offer is very high converting. That is the offer I'm using right now, and you can use it to make some money. Okay, so I will show you how to promote all these offers. This is a CPA challenge, and this is the best method I will be showing you in this class. So remember, you can order for my mentorship by clicking on the WhatsApp on the comment section. Okay, so have to click here. This is the offer right here, and it's 25% conversion, and it's $16 per ECPL. Okay, so a CPL offer also, and then we have money updated. This offer is also doing well. Okay, so and you can get other offers right here. You can get other offers. Look at this one too. SOI Finance Survey. All of them are actually doing well. Remember, this is just Mobidea, and I have zeydo right here as well. Listen, you might be wondering if I ever get paid from all this company before I show you. Yes, if you're wondering if this company will actually pay you to your bank account, let me show you proof that I actually got paid myself. Then I go over to my payout, my finance, and I go over to my payout. As you can see, I've received two payouts from this company to my Pioneer account, and not just this one. Let me show you from my Mobidea account here, and I go over to my Mobidea account here, and I go over to my Kasha, and let me show you my payout because I'm expecting payout this coming Wednesday. So I go over here, and I go over to my payment history here, and as you can see, I've gotten paid $189 and $134 right here, and these things are periodically every single week that I calculate this money. That means any day I work on this website, I earn at least $30. Sometimes I earn $50 working on this website. Though their payout is low, it's very little, but I will show you how to get the best traffic for it. You know, every traffic source have strategy. Those offer that pays you $1, $50 per lead, $100 per lead, all of them depend on how difficult this offer are. Because those offers, you might actually get just one conversion with 1,000 click. You might actually not get one conversion even on 5,000 click. So they are actually difficult to convert, but these one are very easy to convert because right away I can set up a traffic, and as I'm talking right now, I can start making money immediately. But those big offer that pays you $1, they'll have to sign up, they'll have to verify their account, they have to log in again, they have to complete one or two tasks inside before you actually get a conversion. But offers here are simply click and maybe answer surveys, one or two survey, not a survey, not survey, is quiz, one or two normal quiz. Once they reach the final button, whether they click or they don't click there, you get paid. So it's cost per click, ECPM. It's covered by the ECPM. That's why it's rev share SOI. So guys, these are the two websites I'll be using to teach you every method you can use to earn online from CPA marketing. And if you love this video, if you want to see the free traffic source, how I build my landing page, how I generate landing page with ChatGPT, high converting landing page, and get my creatives, then create my ads, free traffic, paid traffic, then subscribe because in my next video, I'll be showing you all of this. So make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.